Hi vlog, it's Stella. Our prom's in a week. Today's Sunday. And am I scared? Am I nervous? Kind of. But follow along with me to get ready for prom and to vlog prom. Our prom is on a yacht this year in San Francisco. So you know we have to give. The dress is pretty simple. But it's my junior year, so like I don't need to go too crazy. But I'm excited and I'm nervous, so. Okay guys, I'm doing the nails. They're coming together. Just some nail glue. I definitely got glue everywhere, all over my fingers. But yeah, this nail glue is really good. The Kiss Maximum Speed nail glue. And then I got these tips off of Amazon, and so these from Amazon. I cut them a lot. These are the short length, but they're still pretty long for me. So I cut like a good fourth off of it, a fourth. Looking good so far. I tried this like a week ago. They didn't turn out good, so. Guys, the nails are officially done. They're a little chunky. I'm aware. But they're nude. Like, they're a classic little set. I just woke up. It's 9 a.m. I just want to sleep. This, wait, let's take it off together. Pimple reveal. Oh, it's stuck in my head. Wait, look. I got it. It looks so much better. Guys, I'm so sorry. I already did my freaking makeup. I forgot to film it. I was watching Brooklyn Nine-Nine. You can't blame me after I said that, because Brooklyn Nine-Nine is actually the best show ever. This is my everyday makeup routine, but I just added like a cutesy lip. And it's like 11 o'clock, so we have 3 hours left. So what do I do with this time? I'm gonna try on my dress. Cause why not? Okay. You get to see my dress soon. Guys, I got ready way too early. It's like 12 and the dance is at 2, so I changed back. Was I starting to feel a little insecure?
Oh yes.
Why are the nails serving so hard? They've lasted a week now. These are press-ons. Like, I did these myself. I kind of don't want to go anymore. I paid $175 though, so I'm going, whether I like it or not. It didn't start off good. We had a lot of stomach issues from yesterday's Mexican food. So, bye. Done. We're on the bus. Wait. I'm vlogging. Guys, we're in San Francisco. Why is our shit so ugly compared to that one? Oh. And what about it? Where's Jasmine? Guys, it's a video. Okay guys, voiceover time. We got there first, so we got our food first. We have a Caesar salad, bread, pasta, and chicken, and it was good. We got our dinner, me and Bestie. What? You let me off. Give me a second chance. There you go. Okay, show what we got. So tell us what you got. So I have some Caesar salad with some focaccia. It's cold bread. Mashed potatoes and some. Okay, why is it so cold? These are the other people. Hey guys, I don't want to be copyrighted, so listen to some really good music. Guys, this is the next day. That's a wrap on prom. I lost a nail right before prom started. And I got back at like 1 a.m. I'll put some pictures that we took because they're really cute. Okay, bye. Thanks for watching.